Are you in search of a durable and attractive flooring option for your home or business? If so, Polyaspartic floor coatings might be the solution you're looking for. In this video, we will discuss the pros and cons of Polyaspartic floor coatings, helping you make an informed decision before investing in this type of flooring. Before we dive into the details, let's understand what Polyaspartic floor coatings are. Polyaspartic coatings are a type of resin-based flooring solution that offers numerous benefits. Now, let's explore the advantages of Polyaspartic floor coatings. Advantage 1. Durability. Polyaspartic coatings are highly durable, capable of withstanding heavy foot traffic, impacts, and chemical spills. They provide a long-lasting flooring solution that can withstand the test of time. Advantage 2. Fast curing time. Unlike other types of coatings, Polyaspartic coatings have a quick curing time. This means that your floor can be ready for use in just a matter of hours, minimizing downtime and allowing for a faster installation process. Advantage 3. UV resistance. Polyaspartic coatings are UV resistant, meaning they won't yellow or fade when exposed to sunlight. This makes them an excellent choice for outdoor applications or areas with large windows. Advantage 4. Versatility. Polyaspartic coatings can be customized to suit your aesthetic preferences. They come in a wide range of colors, finishes, and textures, allowing you to create a unique and personalized look for your space. Advantage 5. Easy maintenance. One of the standout features of Polyaspartic floor coatings is their low maintenance requirements. They are resistant to stains and spills, making them easy to clean and maintain over time. Now, let's consider the potential drawbacks of Polyaspartic floor coatings. Disadvantage 1. Cost. Polyaspartic coatings tend to be more expensive than traditional flooring options. While they offer excellent durability and longevity, the upfront cost may be higher, especially for larger areas. Disadvantage 2. Professional installation. Due to the complexity of the installation process, Polyaspartic coatings generally require professional installation. This can add to the overall cost and may limit the ability for DIY enthusiasts to undertake the project themselves. Disadvantage 3. Application conditions. Polyaspartic coatings require specific environmental conditions for proper application. Temperature and humidity levels need to be within the manufacturer's recommended range to achieve optimal results. Disadvantage 4. Odor and VOC. During the installation process, Polyaspartic coatings can release strong odor. Disadvantage 5. Limited DIY options. While some flooring options can be installed as a DIY project, Polyaspartic coatings typically require specialized equipment and expertise. This limits the accessibility for individuals who prefer to take on home improvement projects themselves. To summarize, Polyaspartic floor coatings offer numerous advantages, including exceptional durability, fast curing time, UV resistance, versatility in design, and easy maintenance.